All right. Good morning. So, for today, we are expecting some type of continuation to the upside. Most definitely. Yesterday's AM low is being targeted by the Dow Jones. Dow Jones already grabbed all-time highs. Yesterday, NASDAQ didn't, so S&P as well. So more than likely, we're going to continue up higher today. Yeah. Beautiful. We grabbed lunch lows from yesterday, PM lows from yesterday. S&P and NASDAQ is staying strong. And right now, NASDAQ is working with this 5-minute order block right here. Now, in order for it to be a strong momentum to the downside, I would like to see NASDAQ completely obliterate it and just ram through it. Just completely go through that. 8:30 News created that order block, or it validated it, right? This order block here. But then again, we have this 5-minute gap, which brought price down. So in order for us to have a strong indication that price is ready to continue higher and take all-time highs, I would like for that fair value gap to be inverted. Now, yeah. So at the moment, there's nothing really other than this a possible continuation to the top side. Right, let's see how price goes. Engineered buy-side liquidity from the news. I'm gonna mark it up for everybody right there. And then for NASDAQ, it's right there. Okay. Buy stop. Oh. Boom. And I'm in.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Stops at break even. And take profit is going to be at, beautiful, wonderful, right at 25. We'll do 25 for a nice 50 points. 51, but we just rounded off to 50 points. Take profit at 25. Beautiful. Stops at break even. Gorgeous. And now we're just waiting. Ooh. Ooh.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yo, why is this why does it sound like that? That's okay. All right, we're at break even for today. Let's see how price continues from here, because we could still target all-time highs. I'm just gonna wait. There's nothing really obvious at the moment. Okay, price came down, grabbed all that liquidity here. We could be looking for a re-entry soon. We would have to reclaim this gap in order to do so. Hey, what's up, brother? Mr. Fitzgo Legendary. I appreciate the support and the love. We're at break even so far. Break even on the day so far. Let me just write it down. All right. Now we're just waiting. Beautiful. If we could reclaim this here, that would be wonderful. Strong rejection. I could be looking for an entry. I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm in. Okay, and let me see that real quick. All right, stops is at 355.5. Should have waited for a closure above, but that's okay. I made an aggressive entry. That's on me. If it hits stop loss, I'm lowering my risk.
Stop filled.
All right, time to lower our risk. Okay, that is the first loss of the day. We're down 15 points, and that's okay. We do have high impact news coming in 9 minutes. And I never waited for a closure, but that's okay. We have 5 minutes. I'm still bullish. I am still bullish, but at the moment, price is not giving me any indication that it wants to continue any higher. Yeah. For some reason, we're just looking to drop to where? Where do you want to go, brother? Let's look at the hourly. Oh, there's a good chance that we may go to the equilibrium about this, because price was. All right. This is my last trade. Going for sells.
Order filled.
Lot size of 1. Lower my risk. Beautiful. And stops are going to be right at 20 points. Beautiful. And we're going for 30. Take profit 318. Gorgeous. And stops are going to be brought down to 10 points at 358. Stops at 358. Price should continue way lower. Come on. Aye, aye. Let's see if it stops me out. That'll be 25 points on the day, and then we'll definitely be waiting for the 945 high impact. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out though. And if price can manage to come right back below these lows here, putting sell stops at a re-entry, because that would be powerful. That would be powerful. And no. And if price triggers, we're putting our stops at 5 points. If it triggers. So that would mean... Oh,
Stop filled.
Stops at 5 points. Okay, stops are now at 353. 0.25. At 5 points. Putting our second buy limit at 388. Gorgeous. And now we wait. All right, now as soon as price comes and taps this here, equilibrium of the higher time frame, readings, we're putting ourselves at break even. Oh, let's see what happens here. We got immediate rebalance. Does it take our full stop at 5 points? Will it take it? We got this here, we got volume imbalance here, and a volume imbalance there. So we're gonna mark this area. See how price goes. Ooh, we're gonna stop at 5 points. All right.
Stop field.
Stopped at 5 points. So that's 5 points. That's 20 points total. And that equals to one whole trade. One trade, 20 points, stop, right? But we did it in 2 trades, 3 trades, which is a good thing. It's a good thing because, let me see something here. Wow. Okay. Let me see something there. Yeah, let's see how the 945 news reacts. We're down 20 points. We could be done for today at 20 points, or we look for a good setup taking to all-time highs. I was expecting manipulation grabbing the equilibrium of this entire range, right, the hourly, which price can still go for, but now I'm just going to be on the sideline because we have high impact news coming in at 9:45, so we're just going to wait. Now we just wait. Okay. Now remember, this gap needs to be reclaimed. We're going to delete this because it no longer matters. So the entirety of the open price has just been manipulating, grabbing liquidity to the downside. Wonderful. Let's look at the 5 minute. Ooh, we could be seeing a strong push up. But at the moment, we're still within this inversion gap, which has a steady delivery of sells. So we could see manipulation first coming down and then go for our all-time highs. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, for the last trade setup here, we're gonna wait and see how this closes. I would love for it to close above this swing high. Hopefully it's not just a manipulation, a liquidity raid to then drop. We are hitting the 25% of the hourly range. And everybody seems to be wanting to come up higher. Let's see, we still haven't gotten a close. Okay, this could be it. Alright. Grab all of this here. Let's see. We have 9 more seconds. Okay, it closed above. We're gonna go ahead and buy limit at 368. Okay, buy limit 368. Hopefully price can take us with it and not leave us behind. It might leave us behind, and that is okay. Okay, buy limit will be dragged to 386. In 12 seconds, I want to see how price closes. And then we'll move it to 386. And 386. 386 buy limit. Let's see. And then stop loss, 371. Hopefully it tags us in. It'll be wonderful to see. And we will be going for 60 points on this one. So take profit will be 446. As soon as we get triggered in.
Order filled.
All right. Moment of truth. Let's see what happens here. Putting our stops right at 15 points. Hopefully price doesn't come and tag this again. We're gonna put it underneath that actually. because there's a good chance that price may want to come back to it. And this will be it for today. If price hits, I am done. Yeah, give price a little bit more room. All right, so stops are 25 points. We're gonna end the day just like yesterday, minus 45 if it hits. Let's see the hourly. Again, we're pushing up higher. And we're going for 15. I have lots of room. Let's go. The hourly is about to open here. Pushing our stops to break even as soon as we get this high here violated. What's scary is that we have this inversion. But everybody's pushing up higher. Should be seeing strong continuation because Nasdaq did manipulate lower already, grab liquidity. Should be no reason why our price will want to continue. Unless we're getting a nice immediate rebalance there on the 5 minute. Wow. Well, it was a good day. At least it was a good day. Wow.
Stop filled.
Wow. 2 days in a row. Back to back. I can't believe this. Wow, did that just happen to me? Did this just happen to